Hey friend, hey, welcome to Stay Calm and Budget. Today we're going to do a budget with me for our last paycheck in June. Well, second to last, it's a magic month, but here we go. Stay tuned. Hey friend, hey, welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. Today we're going to be doing a budget with me using Salisa's Easy Cash Budgeting Planner from Beautifully Me and You. Check her out when you get a chance, but let's move right on along. Okay, as usual, I've already written in our categories. And this is going to be the June 15th and 17th paycheck. I get paid a couple of days before my wife does. So that's why we have 2 days for paycheck. And I'm going to be using this color today. I don't even know what this color is, but it's like a teal, I guess, right? Ouch. Ouch. That's so hard. Jesus. Ow. That really hurt. All right, so the house bought in a total of $5,252.54. So we're just going to bring that total down. This go around, I did add my brother in there. I don't know why, I just did. Kaimana is $390. The lawn is $35. Vivint. So I don't know if you guys remember when I did my what video was it? It was my debt confession. Vivint was up there. So you know, you have, this is security system, so you have the actual equipment and then you have the service. So this is the service that we pay for, which is $70.79. Our water bills came out to $110. I'm sorry, I was looking at the wrong thing. And I think I missed something up here. See, this is what happens when you try to rush it. So our water is actually 107.06. And let me get out the other one because I forgot. Pool is 110. Nope, it's already done. Pool is 110. Go back up here. Car is $878. That is including the processing fee. Insurance, $282.62. Phones, $381.12. And then Sunpage, I always put $100. So let's get out Old Reliable and add these up. We have $390 plus 35 plus 79 plus 107.06 plus 878 plus 282.62 plus 381.12. As always, messing up. 390 plus 35 plus 79 plus 107.06 plus 878 plus 282.62 plus 381.12 plus 100 plus 110, which comes out to $2,354.59 for our bills this go round. All right, let's bring that down here. I've had someone say, why do you record yourself if you continuously mess up? I'm not perfect, and neither are you. I mean, a lot of people, they do their budget and they mess up. At one point in time, it took me 3 hours to do my budget because it was a penny off, or you know, something didn't seem right. I mean, I make mistakes just like everybody else makes mistakes. I was kind of taken back that, you know, they say, well, why are you recording yourself if you constantly, you know, miscount, or you constantly you're adding wrong or something like that. it is what it is, person. I'm sorry that, you know, I'm a whole human being and I do make mistakes, but I hope that, you know, you have a good life, and you know, I hope that your car starts and have gas in it. I mean, because you know, you're worried about me messing up. But anywho, I took the total that we had for our income this go around, and I subtracted our bills, which was $2,354.59, and we have a total of, or a remaining of, $2,897.95. Now, for the past couple of stuffings, I have not been budgeting to zero because it's just been, I don't know, it's just been a little bit left over, and I just want to keep that in there just to have it go to the buffer. It just adds on to our buffer in our accounts. And, you know, if my wife wants to go and do something, you know, without me like, hey, let me budget that in, if she wants to do something for herself or something for me, and I don't supposed to know, then she has that chance, right? Okay, so let's move on to our cash envelopes. Groceries always gets $400. We went up in gas, so wife is now getting $250. Personal still stays the same. My gas went up to $300, and my personal still stays the same. So with that being said, we have $400. We have $650, $750, $8, $9, $10.50, and we have $11.50 right here. Did I add that right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11.50. Okay, so now we're going to take $11.50, subtract that from our bills, and we are left with $1,704.795. Okay, moving on over to our sinking funds. So I put my savings over here in the sinking funds, but what I actually do is I just transferred over in my checking account to the savings account. So this go around we did $454, not quite 10%, but really close. My brother sent $130. Christmas is getting $55. Home improvement is getting $30. Car maintenance is getting $20. Clothing gets $50, and 1 month ahead gets $100. So let's clear over liable, and let's add that $454 plus 130 plus 55 plus 30 plus 20 plus 50 plus 100, and we come out with $839. We're going to take our $1,747. I'm going to go ahead and, well, I'm gonna leave the 95 there. So, and we're going to subtract our 839, and that gives us 908.95. Okay, now we're going to move on down to our savings. So save with Batty, we're doing $33. We're closing that one out. So that's everything added up. We're going to go ahead and give our 100 envelope challenge a good amount of money, $543. And for our 50 envelope challenge, we're going to go ahead and give that $36. So let's clear this out once more. So that's 33 plus 543 plus 36 gives us $612. Clear this out and put back our 908.95, subtract the 612, and we're left over with $296.95. So that is what's going to stay in our account and go towards our buffer. Not bad, almost $300. All right, checks and balances time. So our income came out to $5,252. And what did I don't even know my handwriting, 54 cents. Our cash envelopes came out to $1,150. Our sinking fund came out to $139. Our savings came out to $112, and our bills came out to $2,354.59. So all of this, I should have an ending balance of $296.95. Let's see. 5252.54 subtract 1150 subtract 839 subtract 612 subtract 2354.59, and our math was mathing $296.95. Yeah. So with that being said, we're going to be stuffing 839 plus 612 plus 1150, $2,601. That's what that came out to. I think that's right. Alrighty, so thank you guys for rocking with me to the end of this video. We have one more stuffing, well, one more budget with me for June, which is going to be for the July paycheck. But I just thank you guys for watching. If I can do this, you can too. I'm not perfect, but I do this for my family, and the more I do this, you know, the better I get. Perfection is not the key, but consistency is. So again, I love you guys. Until next time, keep it moving, keep it going, keep it growing. I see you. Bye.